Hi, this video tutorial is to help show how to sign up for the virtual homework club offered by the San Jose Public Library. So first you're going to want to enter in this website, sjpl.org/homework club, and it'll take you to this page here. If you scroll down, you'll see this green button here that says Virtual Homework Club Events. You're going to go ahead and click on that button, and it'll take you to a page where you can see multiple events. You're going to go ahead and look for the event that you're interested in, and once you've found one, you're going to go ahead and click the title for the name of the event. For example, I'm going to go ahead and click on this event here for Wednesday. And it'll take you to this page where it has some important information over here. You're going to go ahead and read that. And to register, you're going to come up back to the top of the page and you can click this blue register button. This field will pop up where you're going to go ahead and enter in this information. And once you're done, you're going to go ahead and hit this button here that says complete registration. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thank you.